and send me back to Portland.
Don't get slapped in your head. Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to the family, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Anyways, so I'm recording this video just to let you know I'll be pranking my best friend. So basically what's gonna happen is she's moving in tonight from Portland, Oregon to Hartford, Connecticut, basically. And when she gets there, she's coming late tonight, so I won't prank her tonight or anything. But I asked her already, like a few weeks ago or maybe a week or two ago, if she could do a video with me called My Best Friend Does My Makeup video. So she's gonna be thinking that's all that's happening, right? What she doesn't know is it's a prank. It's a prank, guys. It's a prank. So basically, I'm telling her that somebody's not signing over the lease. And she needs to go back to Portland, Oregon. And you just have to watch and see how it all goes down, because I don't want to give you too much information. But I'm kind of scared because I don't want her to get all mad at me and angry. And if she try to fight me, I'm going to fight you back. But anyways, so yeah. So we will see if this prank is a fail or not. As long as she don't hit me, we're good, okay? Because she's crazy sometimes. Sometimes she really is. So yeah, let's hope that this video is a success, and comment down below and let me know if you think this prank will actually work, or if it will fail, or if it will backfire. Let me know what you think. And now let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World, and today we will be doing a My Best Friend Does My Makeup video. So meet my best friend Courtney. She just moved there from Portland. I can't pronounce the word. Oregon.
Yeah, that word. Yeah, so she just moved there from that boring old state, and she's here. And so she'll be doing my makeup, and while she's doing my makeup, I'll just answer a few of your questions, or the get to know me tag, so you guys can get to know a little bit more about me. Yeah, so let's get right into the video.
Excuse my face, like I'm usually beat, but you know, I'm gonna beat her. Okay.
It's a good thing I have my brother here.
Like, Jafar don't do anything.
Jafar will fight you.
Jafar won't hit a female.
Well, if somebody's beating on his sister, right, Jafar? Jafar! Jafar! If Courtney is hitting me, what would you do?
Make her fight the daughter.
Wow! What if she's beating me, Jafar?
That's cool. That's hella.
I don't like y'all.
That's hella cool. Close your eyes.
I don't like y'all at all.
Oh.
You see that, YouTube? She beating my ass.
No, she hit me first. Remember, you were in my state. I could beat you and send you back to Portland.
Don't get slapped in your head.
I'm so
Stop
serious.
screeching your eyes. You so which color may I pick you?
I'm so tired. I'm purple.
I have to blue.
Remember, I was talking. Back to my confession. Anyways. You know, I tell you, like, I'm gonna have Ace sign over the lease. He said he's not signing it over. Why not? Because you don't want to give up the apartment. Okay. That's fine with me. So that means he's going to be living here.
He doesn't bother me. I don't bother him.
But what if he wants the other room?
before I move. Well, you didn't leave your car here. It's a plus, just in case you gotta move back.
That's not funny.
I mean, I'm just saying.
Are you serious though?
I am serious. Like, legally his name is on the lease, so if he wants the place, what can I tell him? Fight him?
It's not funny.
Let it go. At least you know you have a little corner. You don't think I'm funny?
No, because that's my life at stake right now.
How is that your life at stake? You can literally move back. Your car is not here at all. You didn't even buy furniture or anything yet. Well, your mom would be happy. She didn't want you to come anyways. You're gonna miss her little daughter. We'll try to convince him. Then you don't have to do it. Me? Yes, me and you. We could beat him if he doesn't agree. Would you rather than cry? Let's see if you're messing up my makeup. My phone's not working. Oh, this is actually nice. Or you could stay on the couch.
Marla, stop talking.
Because I don't want to share the room. So what? I'll ask the leasing office if they're still renting apartments. Since the college students move in. Jafar, Jasmine's still looking for a roommate?
I don't think Jasmine wants to move to our apartment.
So she could get an apartment here with Courtney? What you think?
Courtney and Smoke.
No, she don't smoke.
Yeah, no.
You can't smoke in the apartment anyways.
Where?
You're not supposed to smoke in the apartment.
Where?
Yeah.
She don't want to smoke without this. And I would if I paid money for my apartment. I don't care. How the money take? If it smell outside, close the door and open up the window.
You know any apartment for rent other than here?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I don't know.
We need to find one place for Courtney next month. What? I
can't convince him. I was begging him. Like, I was on the phone with him earlier and asking him. And he was like, yeah, no, I don't want to give it up because then I can't pop in. He came here this morning.
Where was I?
And sleeping.
Did you look in the room?
No. He doesn't even look in the room. He came in my room and told me he was here. And I told him to stop popping up. And he's like, oh, it's my apartment too. I have to do whatever I want, so.
Somebody asked me if I could take it over in October. You killed my vibe.
I had to tell you, like, if I don't tell you now, then I feel like I'll never tell you. And I don't want it to get to that point, and then I have to tell you, like, the day before, because that would be messed up.
Which way?
My mascara, I like this mascara. I use. See if I can find you a flight. Dang, dude, cheap as hell. $98 round trip? What the heck? That is cheap. Why?
So you pretty much kicking me out.
I'm not kicking you out, but I don't have a choice. I don't know what else to do. I can help you find an apartment, but I don't know what else to do.
That's not funny. That's not funny.
I'm sorry, it's a prank. I wouldn't do that.
It's not funny.
None of that is funny. I couldn't. I had a hard time starting, bro. Like, I was like, I can't even do this. That's why I was bothering you to do the makeup video.
You swear to God you funny, huh?
Stop beating my phone.
I did a good job on your makeup. Look at the eyeshadow.
Until you were about to cry.
Leave me alone.
Oh, how do you feel?
Fuck. Forget you.
You mad, man? Say Team Marla.
Team Marla.
Yes, because I'm the prank queen. I got you good, right?
Bye.
I got you good.
Bye.
And she was about to cry. Like, she went into the room like she was about to cry. How do you feel? Are you okay now? Are you okay?
It's not funny.
I wouldn't do that, bro. Like, why would I do that? Oh,
I did a damn good job. Look.
I did a good job with the prank.
No, but look at your eyeshadow.
Yeah, it is nice.
It blends out nice.
That's what I was saying.
At least let me put them around so you can show your mommy.
My mom? Why?
Aren't you going to drop your phone?
I want to show her the prank.
His Somebody's mad. You. Why you keep dropping my phone?
Not many can match him stride for stride, clocking in at
Still
almost
mad?
22
Leave me alone. Let me take a picture of her.
Your
face still mad though?
The fastest speed on a scoring
Still
track in
mad?
2019. Drafted by the Chiefs.
I'm not talking to you.
Tyreek Hill, who is
Why not? It was just a prank.
Hardman has turned into an impact player
Come.
alongside of his
Let's take a picture.
But you're recording. You think I'm stupid now? Once bitten, twice shy.
It was just a prank. It's over.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Get on my face.
Guys, I got her so good.
You see the cut crease though?
To one of these four small
Look at you.
You're into your makeup and I'm into this prank.
But y'all, look at this.
But y'all,
Look.
at the end of the day, I still pranked her.
Come back. Let me take your picture.
No.
Come back.
No. So basically, guys, I forgot to end the prank. So basically, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you think. It was kind of cruel, I'm not gonna lie, but I couldn't go on with it much longer. So the moment I realized she was gonna cry, I just ended the video. Well, ended the prank. But I hope you did enjoy it, and let me know what you think, and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the post notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload a video. All right, thank you guys for watching.